Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. You know, your facial characteristics stand out when you have short hair and spectacles, emphasizing your look, So today, these popular hairstyles that go well, for beautiful black women is a brief, low maintenance hairstyle that makes it possible for your frames and your face to pop up. So another excellent hairstyle for beautiful black women is this simple short colored haircut that can add layers for more texture and dimension to this adaptable haircut to always fit your face shape. So you have additional styling options because of the lengthening, so that you may experiment with different hairdos like the waves or even sleek straight appearance. Whatever short hairstyle you decide on, always consider the size of your face shape and check the texture of your hair and make sure they go well together. So short hairstyles will give you more self-awareness and flay and making you look so beautiful, and it will always turn eyes in every occasion. So one thing with this style today is that it's a cute short natural hairstyles for beautiful black women, and it offers you that trendy, low maintenance and adaptable appearance, and you can go for this classy and dairy options that will always make you look beautiful and emphasize your facial features. This haircut today the beautiful traditional hairstyles that is developed over time, and it's an ideal hairstyle for anyone who really want to combine elegance and playfulness in just the right amount. So for the dairy and look, this haircut is a hairstyle that will give you that edgy touch. Beautiful black women looking to stand out from the crowd might consider the striking style because it will always enable imaginative patterns and designs to be carved into the shaped region. If it's the first time, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. You can see this cut is a terrific option for individuals seeking for a stylish and contemporary look. This haircut, which has two sides lower and the top longer, provides the charm and assurance, and is a haircut that complements many different hairstyles and gives any outfit a dash of pieces. So young women really have that variety of alternatives, like when it comes to cute short hairstyles, to really express their individuality and their style. So short haircuts for beautiful black women will always draw attention and always make a strong fashion statement. Whether they choose a traditional pixie or any kind of undercut of their choice, they will always come out looking good.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh. I am the Lord, I I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yo. Oh my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I need your breath of life.